Hey, kids.
Hey, Dad.
What do you want to do today?
We don't know.
Do you want to go to the matinee?
No.
Do you want to go to the amusement park?
No.
Do you want to go to the punk rock show?
Yeah, let's go to the punk rock show.
In a sea of combat boots, flesh of bastard and wasted youth. When did punk rock become so safe? When did the sea become a joke? The kids who used to live for beer and speed, now want them from the coast. Crusading birds are not allowed. In fact, the key noise levels down. Must separate the church and state. Why don't we put pants on the kids? Helmets, headgear, and mouthpieces. Then we could ban the fourth and one. Put cameras inside bathrooms. We make sure only night fans work. Make every show madness. Teach kids to be all they can be. And we can sing my country, 'tis of thee. Sweet land of liberty. When did punk rock become so sick? I know it wasn't Twain or Fletcher who put up the barricades like a stake in the heart. Somehow we got driven apart.